Hi, welcome to my new California apartment. Come on in. So we're gonna walk into the kitchen. I got this apartment because I'm moving from Maryland for just a few months, so I needed a short-term lease and this was perfect. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and it came out to about $2,700. So let's take a look. So this is the kitchen. It's a pretty older style kitchen. It has lots of storage space, as you can tell here. We've got a great fridge here. It's totally clean. It's perfect. The flooring is a new and pretty laminate, which we're really excited about. We've got some laminate countertops that we might put a white contact paper on. The sink is pretty standard. We've got some silver accents here, which I really like. Again, more storage space, casual Louis, not mine, it's fine. And here's the dining room space. It's really spacious and got a fan, it's hot here in California. So yeah, just gonna have a dining table here, gonna go get that later, but I just wanted to show you the apartment when it was still empty. So let's go to the living room. So this is the living room. It's a pretty big space, which I love. But let me turn this off. Okay, it's a pretty big space, which I love. So I'm excited to furnish it with a carpet, an area rug, a couch, TV, everything that you might need. So yeah, laminate flooring all around. This wall is like a beige and this one's gray, I think. So it adds another nice little accent wall, which I love. So that's great. We've got some boxes in the house because we had to move things in, but I'll show you anyways. So what we have here is our hallway and our storage closet. So we've got a lot of stuff in here, but it has tons of storage, which we love since I'll be living here with 2 other people. Great storage, hangers, everything like that. And a full-length mirror, so you don't really need to go get one, you know? Again, more storage here. Love it. Now let's go look at the first bedroom. Okay? This is the first bedroom. They just freshly cleaned all of the carpet, so it's a nice soft carpet. I love carpet in bedrooms, so it's really comfortable and cozy. The walls are a nice beige color as well, which is really great. We've got a great south-facing window, so that means a lot of natural light during the daytime. And then we've got a walk-in closet over here. So we've got a pretty spacious walk-in closet. This is going to be perfect for my sister and I as we're sharing this room right now. And yeah, 2 sides, high ceilings. We are going to love it. So it's going to be really great. I'm excited to fill this with our stuff. Now let's go to the next room. So this room is going to be my younger brother's. He's already moved some things in, so let's take a look. It's the same size as the other one. He's going to have a twin bed, so he's going to have a little bit more space than us. But again, south-facing window, so lots of natural light. We love it. And carpets, they just cleaned them. And then here's another huge closet. This one is obviously not a walk-in, but it's massive. So he's going to put his dresser in here, and he's going to have even more space in the room. So yeah, that's the bedrooms. Again, it's a 2-bedroom. We love it here. Now let's go this way. Okay, Cleo, relax. Okay, we've got more storage here, so that's going to be really great. I watch so many New York City like apartment vlogs, and they're like, I love storage, and I also love storage, but there's room here for it. Now we'll go to the bathroom, which is a pretty standard bathroom, but I like what they did with the accents, like all the everything's silver, so I think that's really pretty. I like that they matched it. We got a bathtub because you know your girl loves baths, and we're gonna make sure to decorate it real pretty. Of course, toilet, everything like that. I think I'm gonna put white contact paper on this because I think it'll make it look cleaner. And we've got some mirrors here. Okay. Now I'll walk you guys back into the living room and we can close up. So it took me about 2 weeks to get this apartment. I had to pass a credit check, a background check, renter's check. I had to get my pets screened because they're ESAs, emotional service animals, and that took off a lot of money off of our deposit and pet rent because we didn't have to pay that. So yeah, that's how long it took to get this apartment. We are paying, I think, almost $2,700 a month because the market is crazy right now. The person filming got a beautiful 1-bedroom in a luxury building for like $1,900, is that right, Kat? And this is $2,700 for a 2-bedroom. So we definitely got scammed a little bit, but also it's a 6-month lease, so it makes sense. But that's a 2-month two-bedroom apartment here in Orange County, specifically in Santa Ana. Thanks for watching.